Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel again. This is BM Gaming and today, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about Lord 9. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag meron tayong panibagong upload regarding kay Lord 9. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So, today, pag-uusapan natin yung 5 common mistakes na ginagawa ng mga newbies dito sa game na to. Well, guilty din naman ako dito sa mga bagay na to, guys. So, it's a tie. No? But anyway, I'm creating this video para ma-avoid nyo na din to and also makapag-progress din kayo ng mas mabilis sa mga characters ninyo. Okay? The first thing is all about the coupon codes. Now, as a newbie guys, hindi ko alam na merong coupon codes dito kahit matagal na tayo naglalaro ng mga MMO na ganitong type, okay? Kumbaga, hindi pa din natin masyadong minamind yung coupon codes, but if you don't redeem the coupon codes, you're missing a lot. Why? Number one, may mga coupon codes wherein pwede kayong makakuha ng free pulls. And yung mga coupon codes na yan is ilalagay ko rin naman sa description link guys, so you can actually take a look on the coupon codes. Alright, but yung pinaka-exact coupon code na merong avatar summons na free is yung L9 follow. So, make sure that you redeem these coupon codes. Now, with how you can redeem the coupon codes, I will also put the link para doon sa website kung saan nyo mariredeem yung coupon codes na yan para hindi na kayo maligaw at maghanap pa. No? Nalagay ko yan sa description link. So, by, consuming those coupon codes, you will be able to unlock avatars. Okay, so kaya marami tayong avatars dito is because of that coupon codes. And also guys, when you actually unlock these avatars, you will be able to unlock additional stats as well. So kung mapapansin nyo dito, sa common, nasa 19 na tayo. 19. So medyo marami-rami pa to guys, but you get the idea. Okay? So, the more na marami kayong avatars na unlock, the more na marami kayong makukuha additional stats. Alright? So, that's the first thing. The second thing is leveling just one weapon. So, make sure guys na nagpapa-level din kayo ng ibang weapon aside from the main. Kasi, ang pinapa-level nyo dito is not the character itself. Ang pinapa-level nyo dito is yung weapon. Okay? So, make sure na meron kayong isang range character and isang melee class. Why? Kasi very beneficial yan for both PvE and PvP. Now, kung pantay ng level yung main weapon nyo and also yung sub-weapon nyo, you can just easily switch, okay, with those weapons. And kung PvP yung tema ng laban, pwede naman kayong mag-switch to melee. Kasi melee pa rin has the best DPS pagdating sa PvP dito sa game na to. Alright? So, that's the second thing. So, make sure na meron kayong pinapa-level na range class and also na melee class. So, I will show you an example. Alright? So, when you actually press your inventory, makikita nyo dito na meron tayong weapon na range weapon and meron din tayong great sword which is our melee weapon. Okay? Now, in terms of these weapons, guys, malulot nyo naman yan in the game, so you don't have to really purchase it sa shop if you don't want to. Hindi nyo naman kailangan. Alright, it's not necessary, guys. And even yung mga items na to, this is basically for free. I didn't buy anything. Alright, kumbaga nakuha ko lang siya by just finishing the quest. Alright, but in terms of guides on where to get these, I will definitely create a separate tutorial for that. Okay? So, the third thing is all about the stat point. So, sabi ko nga kanina, ang pinapa-level natin dito, guys, is gonna be yung weapon nyo. Okay? So, yung weapon, may sariling level siya. Okay? Pero yung character nyo, guys, meron din siyang stat point na tinatawag. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, level 39 na tayo, pero yung total stat point natin is just 18. Why? Kasi yung stat point is actually acquired by consuming Chalice of Blessing. Okay? So, magkakaroon kayo ng isang stat point kapag kinokonsume nyo to. So, pakita natin sa inyo yung actual. Alright? So, click natin yung use. So, yan. Makikita nyo that we got one stat point from that. Alright? So, in order for you to add a stat point here, kailangan nyo lang i-click tong health bar nyo sa taas. Okay? And then, ang gagawin nyo lang is click nyo lang to. Alright, kung mapapansin nyo, broad naman yung stats niya. So, kapag naglagay kayo sa STR, maapektuhan pati melee attack, range attack, critical hit, and also yung bag weight. So, bakit tayo naglagay dito? Okay, bakit nilalagyan natin to? Priority natin yung damage for the meantime. Kasi, max lang naman yan is up until 30. Okay? So, maximize mo muna to, then tsaka ka na maglagay sa ibang stat line. Like ito, yung accuracy, or yung luck, or yung wit. Depende na sa inyo kung anong class yung priority nyo dito. But ako, nilagay ko muna siya sa STR so that I will have good damage output para at least makapag-clear tayo ng mas mabilis. Alright? Again, yung chalice of blessing, makukuha nyo lang yan either sa quest. Alright? So basically, you just have to use it. Okay? Huwag kayong manghinayang na gamitin yon. Kasi yung karamihan, tinitipid nila because they don't know the function of it. So, just consume it para at least magkaroon kayo ng additional stat. And by the way guys, avoid dying. Okay, bakit? Kasi may times na yung stats nyo dito guys is pwede siyang masira. So, kailangan yung i-restore using gold. So, avoid dying guys. Mag-repats na lang kayo. Kung sa tingin nyo yung patch is kakarampot na and malapit ng maubos, mag-repats na kayo kaysa naman mag-restore kayo na mag-restore ng stat point. Okay? Kasi nasisira siya guys. Alright? So, yun lang naman. But anyway, another thing is yung iba hindi nila ginagawa itong weekly and yung daily missions nila. So, gawin nyo itong daily missions guys as you also get these rewards. Okay? So, limited lang naman kayo to do the daily missions. Okay? So, meron dyan pang level 38, meron dyan pang level 20. So, tapusin nyo yan para makuha nyo yung mga rewards from these missions, guys. Okay? So, meron din naman mga weekly missions, pero weekly missions are pretty hard to clear, but you also get these resources as well. So, I'll talk about these resources on the next video, guys, para mas maintindihan nyo kung saan ba siya ginagamit and kung bakit siya importante. Okay? So, ganun lang naman. So, finish nyo lang yan. And also the dungeons itself. So, make sure to consume the time for this one. And for this one, hindi ko siya nire-recommend pa kasi ang recommended combat power dyan is 30k. And currently, we only have 15k right now. So, para makapasok kayo dito and makakuha kayo ng mga item like this, okay, yung mga rings or accessories, then you must have to have a good combat power as well. And may entry din siya na gold, okay? But for the meantime, i-maximize nyo itong dalawa. So, Corrupted Labyrinth and also yung Darkwood. So, sabi ko nga, gagawan ko ng video yung mga resources na yan kung saan ba siya ginagamit and bakit siya importante. Okay? So, that's one of the common mistakes as well ng newbies eh. Hindi nila ginagawa yung dailies and also yung weekly quests, pati yung mga dungeons. That's the reason why nami-miss nila yung mga resources na pretty much useful in the game as well. And the last thing is all about the items that you are getting. So, make sure guys na kapag may nakukuha kayong mga ganito, make sure na nilalagay nyo siya guys dito sa item log. Why? Malaking bagay to guys kasi every time that you are unlocking a stat, okay? So, let's say for example, itong gear, okay? Every time na may nalalagay kayo sa codex is you're actually getting additional stats like ito, attack and defense power plus 3. So, every time that you are finishing this, you're getting additional stat point as well, which is very beneficial para sa mga free-to-play players dito sa game na to. Okay? So, yun lang naman yung 5 common mistakes. Again, number 1 is please make sure to use the coupon codes or I guess you're missing a lot if you don't use it. Number 2, make sure that you are leveling up your weapons. Specifically, you have to have a ranged weapon and kailangan nyo rin ng melee weapon. So, range is for PvE and melee is for PvP. Pangatlo is yung hindi nyo kapag consume ng Chalice of Blessing. So, i-consume nyo yan, Chalice of Blessing, para meron kayo makuwang additional stat point. And that stat point can also increase your attack. Okay? Number 4 is by doing daily quest and dungeons kasi yung iba na may missed out to. So, make sure to do it daily. Isang oras lang naman yun sa dungeons and then yung daily quest, may automatic naman yan. So, basically, just do the daily quest and you're pretty much good to go for the day. And also, the last thing is don't waste your resources, especially yung mga free weapons. Kasi pwede nyo yung ilagay dito sa item log. Okay? So yun lang naman mga tol. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. And if you like this one, kindly share it with your friends. And also, maglaro na rin kayo dito. Nasa Ibon 10 server tayo. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is BM Gaming. And alam niyo na, peace out.